Hello friend NM Vlogger, this time I will explore tourist destinations that are rarely visited by tourists in West Manggarai Regency, precisely in Welak sub-district. This Cunca Polo destination has a very beautiful panorama, perfect for traveler friends who are always active on social media to be able to take some photos with a panoramic background of Cunca Polo, which certainly adds to the beauty of the pictures taken. Cunca Polo Waterfall is not yet widely known by traveler friends, both local and foreign tourists, because it has not been managed properly. This place is not yet widely known by tourists, but the people of Dunta Village and the surrounding communities have visited here. Cunca Polo is located in Welak district, Dunta Village, West Manggarai Regency. Traveler friends will never get bored if you visit this place. This waterfall is very interesting because the water discharge is quite heavy so that it produces a splash which certainly adds to the passion of traveler friends to linger in this place. With its beauty, this Cunca Polo waterfall will provide a new experience for you traveler friends, which will not be forgotten with its beautiful and amazing scenery.